I had a 25-year-old planter by the front porch of the house. The planter had numerous rotten pieces of wood. The planter was replaced with imitation stones. In this video, I will show you how it was done. I used dense pink foam insulation for the substrate and covered it with colored sanded grout. The old planter was removed. I cut the 2x8 sheets of foam into 6-inch wide strips. Then I gave the foam some texture to look like rocks, scraping with a wire wheel. The layers of foam would look like rocks. Cement was put down to take the punishment of a weed eater when grass is eventually planted in the area. The stones were colored with either a dark, medium, or light base layer of sanded grout. Then, other colors of grout were sprinkled on the wet base layer and tapped in. The imitation stones look similar to the real rocks at the corners of the house. Make lots. A test fit. Looks good. Cut the corner pieces. Slowly fill in the space with finished rocks. I glued sections together so I can remove them if I want. Finished. Now I'm a stonemason. Thank you for watching.